Can you clarify this point? Can you clarify this point? We should discuss this in person. We should discuss this in person. I will take care of the arrangements. I will take care of the arrangements. Do you have a moment to talk? Do you have a moment to talk? We need to think strategically. We need to think strategically. Let's delegate the tasks. Let's delegate the tasks. What's your take on this? What's your take on this? We need to increase efficiency. We need to increase efficiency. I will send over the proposal. I will send over the proposal. We should evaluate the risks. We should evaluate the risks. Please review the attached file. Please review the attached file. Let's plan a follow-up. Let's plan a follow-up. Can you handle this task? Can you handle this task? We need to coordinate our efforts. We need to coordinate our efforts. I will keep you informed. I will keep you informed. Let's aim for excellence. Let's aim for excellence. Can you draft the memo? Can you draft the memo? We need to align our goals. We need to align our goals. Let's streamline the process. Let's streamline the process. I appreciate your input. I appreciate your input. Please make the necessary changes. Please make the necessary changes. We need to adhere to the deadline. We need to adhere to the deadline. Can we expedite this? Can we expedite this? Let's ensure quality control. Let's ensure quality control. Can you provide an update? Can you provide an update? We need to optimize our resources. We need to optimize our resources. I will join you shortly. I will join you shortly. Let's focus on the key objectives. Let's focus on the key objectives. Can we improve our workflow? Can we improve our workflow? Please acknowledge receipt. Please acknowledge receipt. Let's review the project timeline. Let's review the project timeline. Can you compile the data? Can you compile the data? We need a strategic plan. We need a strategic plan. I will forward this to the team. I will forward this to the team. Let's finalize the details. Let's finalize the details. Can you confirm the appointment? Can you confirm the appointment? We should consider all options. We should consider all options. I will coordinate with the team. I will coordinate with the team. Please update the document. Please update the document. We need to discuss the budget. We need to discuss the budget. Can you summarize the meeting? Can you summarize the meeting? Let's enhance our communication. Let's enhance our communication. I will prepare the presentation. I will prepare the presentation. We need to allocate more resources. We need to allocate more resources. Can you send a reminder? Can you send a reminder? Let's achieve our targets. Let's achieve our targets. We should celebrate our success. We should celebrate our success. I will organize the event. I will organize the event. Can you verify this information? Can you verify this information? Let's continue to innovate. Let's continue to innovate.